Welcome back, guys. This is lesson 8 of the Growing in Trust mentorship course, and today I want to talk to you about forgiveness and how that impacts our trust. So if you're in this course, there probably was something that happened to you, or just a series of events probably where your trust was betrayed, and so now you're feeling like you can't trust anybody, or you're feeling like, I don't know why this stuff always happens to me, I'm a very trustworthy person, and you're just letting everybody into your life. And I want to talk to you about the importance of forgiveness, because that definitely impacts the way that you view people and the way that you're going to trust them, the way that you view their motives, the way that you analyze them, the way that you do an assessment of whether or not this person is going to harm or add to your life. And if you don't get over the block of forgiveness, forgiving people who have done something wrong to you, this again doesn't not mean that you agree with what they did or that you condone anything that had happened to you. It's just about releasing yourself from carrying around that burden. You acknowledge that that was wrong, and you are going to be smarter because of it. You're going to implement different types of boundaries and different types of systems. You're not going to keep making the same mistakes again and again. And so when you have this release of the unforgiveness that you have, you're able to see the picture more clear. You're able to take a look and see actually objectively what is going on with the person in front of you, because if you continuously compare them to somebody in your past, you're not giving that person a fair assessment, and you are also hindering your own self. You know, what benefits you could get from that relationship, you're not going to be able to get them because you're looking at them through this negative mindset. So I wanted to talk about that. I also have a part in here about making predetermined choices when it comes to reconciliation. So sometimes people are going to let you down, and the correct thing to do is to not put them back on the outside of the walls. It is to reconcile with them. And so I have a section in here about how to do that, about how to get to a place to determine whether or not you should reconcile this relationship, or whether it's best to just kind of go your separate ways. You forgive them, you bless them, but then you ultimately go your separate ways. So that is in there, and I share a little bit of my own story with you in that section as well. Be sure to complete the exercises and the reflections for this part of the mentorship course, and I will see you in next lesson, which will be lesson 9.